Canon G3410 colors are not coming clearly. Only black and white print is printing well. So how to solve this issue? For checking purpose, you just need to check here. Just open first of all this one and open your color head, and you just need to check here by the tissues. I will show you here. Just check which color is missing. As you can see, magenta color, that pink color we call, that is missing. So we'll put back. Just press these buttons, clean it. Now from here you will see settings option. Just press it. When you see a setting icon here, just press plus button 10 times and then press color. Now it will start. You will see it will be blinking this light, and it will start taking service deep cleaning, so it will solve your issue.